Excellent.
I've always worked with kids. I've worked in youth centers, I've been camp counselors at a summer arts camp, I worked on a farm teaching outdoor education. I love watching kids discover and find out for themselves. It's so cool. There's nothing like sticking your hands in the dirt and feeling it yourself. Don't worry about getting dirty, it's gonna wash off. The thing is, good things take time. It takes time to grow a plant. If you know where things come from, if you grow your own food, you learn respect for it. It's just that little respect of time, which I think is so important, that I think our world has gotten away from because we want this immediate gratification. Composting is a great project for kids because it's easy to do. It's another way of teaching responsibility of, oh, I could put my banana peel, my orange peel in the compost, and then it's gonna break down and turn into soil for free. Why wouldn't you do that? With kids, in terms of teaching them, I like to let them just do it themselves at first. Kids, they already have a plan way before any teacher comes in. They're creative. They're not afraid to explore. They're just gonna do it.
Give me a little love over there.
So kids give me a perspective. It reminds me to go in with an open mind. Kids keep us all in check.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.